Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best tow strap is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment you can have in your vehicle, especially if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to pull another vehicle out of a ditch, mud, or snow, or if your own vehicle gets stuck. This versatile tool can be a lifesaver, providing a reliable and safe way to extricate yourself or others from difficult situations, ensuring you're never stranded for long. It's a small investment that can prevent a lot of stress and potential damage. Number 5. Roadside Car Emergency Kit. Be prepared for any unexpected situation on the road. This comprehensive kit is designed to help you handle common emergencies with ease. It includes vital safety items like a first aid set, jumper cables, and a tow strap. You'll have the tools you need to get back on track. Visibility is key in emergencies. This kit features a bright LED flashlight, a safety vest, and a tire pressure gauge to keep you safe and informed. Don't let the weather catch you off guard. A raincoat is included to ensure you stay dry while addressing any roadside issues. Everything you need is neatly organized in a compact black case. It's easy to store in your vehicle and ready when you need it most. Drive with confidence knowing you're equipped for the unexpected. This kit offers peace of mind for every journey. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for unexpected roadside issues. It includes everything you might need, from first aid to towing. If you're looking for peace of mind and want to be prepared for almost any situation, this comprehensive kit is the perfect choice for any driver. What people say. This tow strap is incredibly strong and durable, capable of handling heavy loads without any issues. The length of the strap is perfect for most towing situations, providing ample reach. It comes with sturdy hooks that attach securely to vehicles, ensuring a safe and reliable connection. Number 4. Tow strap with hooks 2x 20 foot 15,000 pounds. Introducing our heavy-duty tow strap, designed for robust performance. With a 2-inch width and 20-foot length, it's built to handle demanding tasks. This strap boasts an impressive load capacity of up to 15,000 pounds, equivalent to 6.8 tons. It provides the strength you need for secure towing and recovery. Perfect for most family cars and ATVs, it's ideal for farm use, clearing trees, or towing boats. Please note, it's not intended for heavy goods vehicles. Constructed from drop-forged, heat-treated metal with safety buckles, it ensures strength, durability, and extra secure towing. Hooking up is also made easy. The bright color of the strap significantly improves visibility, reducing errors caused by visual issues and enhancing safety during use. It conveniently comes with a storage bag, allowing you to roll up the strap and keep it secure. We're committed to providing the highest quality and best service. What we like. This strap offers a robust 15,000 pounds capacity with strong, durable metal hooks. Its bright color enhances visibility for safer use. If you need a reliable and sturdy option for towing family cars, ATVs, or for farm use, this is a great choice for its strength and ease of use. What people say. The strap is made of heavy-duty nylon, which is strong and durable. It comes with reinforced loops that are easy to attach to vehicles. The strap is 20 feet long, providing ample reach for most towing situations. Number 3. MAIKEHIGH Heavy-Duty Tow Strap. This recovery strap is crafted from premium, reinforced polyester fiber. It's designed to withstand extreme conditions, resisting UV rays and wear for long-lasting performance. Safety is paramount. Featuring a bright orange color and integrated reflective strips, this strap ensures it's easily seen, even in low-light conditions. Included are 2 heavy-duty D-ring shackles made from specially treated carbon steel. Their secure bolt closure provides a reliable and robust connection, far stronger than standard hooks. Whether you're stuck in mud, snow, or sand, this versatile strap is your solution. It's perfect for a wide range of vehicles, from cars and trucks to ATVs and trailers. This comprehensive kit includes the emergency strap, 2 D-ring shackles, protective gloves, and a convenient storage bag. Everything you need for unexpected roadside situations. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent service. If you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, please don't hesitate to reach out. What we like. This option boasts an impressive 22,000 pounds braking strength and comes with high-strength deering shackles and protective gloves. Its bright orange color and reflective strips ensure high visibility. If you're looking for a professional-grade recovery strap kit for cars, trucks, or ATVs that includes all necessary accessories for immediate use, this is an excellent option. What people say. The strap is made of high-strength nylon, which is very durable and can withstand heavy loads. The reflective strips on the strap make it highly visible at night, which is a great safety feature. It comes with reinforced loops and a sturdy hook, ensuring a secure connection when towing. Number 2. JCHL Heavy-Duty Nylon Tow Strap with Hooks. Introducing the ultimate towing solution. This heavy-duty strap is engineered for maximum strength and reliability, ensuring you can tackle any towing job with confidence. Crafted from high-tensile strength nylon, it's designed to withstand extreme pressure. The robust construction guarantees durability for all your recovery needs. With an impressive 20,000-pound towing capacity, this strap can handle virtually any vehicle. It's your go-to for towing cars, trucks, ATVs, and SUVs. Equipped with 2 forged safety hooks featuring retaining clips. Their zinc-coated finish provides superior corrosion resistance, ensuring a secure connection every time. Beyond vehicle recovery, it serves as a reliable tree saver or winch extension strap. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for any situation. Keep your strap organized and protected with the included storage bag. Simply roll it up and secure it for easy transport and storage. We are committed to providing the highest quality products and exceptional service. Enjoy peace of mind with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like. Built with high tensile strength nylon and a 20,000 pounds capacity, this strap is designed for heavy-duty use. The forged safety hooks have a zinc-coated finish for superior corrosion resistance. If you need a reliable and strong tow rope for cars, trucks, or ATVs, and appreciate enhanced protection against rust, this is a solid pick. What people say. This tow strap is incredibly strong and durable, capable of handling heavy loads without any issues. The length of the strap is perfect for most towing situations, providing ample reach. It comes with sturdy hooks that attach securely to vehicles, ensuring a safe and reliable connection. Number 1. Rhino USA Recovery Tow Strap. Introducing the Rhino USA Recovery Tow Strap, your ultimate solution for emergency vehicle recovery. Built tough for trucks, UTVs, ATVs, and more. Support proud father-son business with the best USA-based customer support. Join the Rhino USA family today. Crafted from durable polyester, this weather-resistant strap offers long-lasting performance and superior strength. It provides reliable protection during any recovery situation. Perfect for towing or pulling vehicles stuck on flat surfaces. It's a reliable solution for recovering your vehicle without causing damage. Featuring high tensile loop ends, it offers protection against wear and tear. These reinforced points ensure a durable and secure connection every time. We stand by our product with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied. What we like. This strap offers an outstanding 31,518 pounds brake strength and features triple reinforced ends for maximum durability. It's specifically designed for off-road 4x4 use and flat recoveries. If you're an off-road enthusiast or frequently tow heavy vehicles and want the absolute strongest strap with a lifetime replacement guarantee, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. This tow strap is incredibly strong and durable, capable of handling heavy loads without any issues. The reinforced loops on this strap are a great design feature, making it easy and secure to attach to vehicles. I was impressed by how well this strap performed during a recent towing job. It provided a stable and reliable connection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.